Ang susunod na programa ay rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood.
Guys, good evening. Andito na uli ako sa NAIA Terminal 2 and we'll proceed to the bag drop. Basta tayo dyan. Guys, good evening. Andito na naman po kami sa NAIA Terminal 2. Trabaho lang po to, walang personalan.
Ay, mag-vlog kayo.
Yan. Kami po ay may pupuntahang lugar. Kaya mamaya ko na lang po sasabihin kung nasaan kami, ha. Good night. Yan. Hindi ko po pwede ipakita itong mga kasama ko kasi bawal po. Bawal. Oy, huwag kang lumipod, ma. Yan.
Ayun.
Yan. Yan. Basura na po kami ng airport. Ay. Ay, ako, chinek-in ko yung aking ganyan.
Anong check-in ka kayo pala?
Ay, may kasama tayong 20 kilo.
Oo nga, yung nagmadali. Parang late na rin.
Yan. Ito na po ang ating checkpoint. Security. Ito po ang aming sasakyan. Ito ba? O yun, o yun. Naman guard, security. Then, again, this is a 4-star airline. Skytrax. And, guys, you have to tap. 1, 2, 3. Yan. See you later, guys. Guys, malapit na po kami sa Alapaat kasi muusok na po itong aeroplano. Yan. Ganda. Medyo ako ay nasa 56 kg dito sa And of course, we have the beautiful stewardess from Holy Angel.
Yeah.
Okay. Ito, saan graduate siya?
USD ata.
USD ka, Totoy? Ang beda?
Sorry.
Kaya ako nag-interview kasi tourism faculty ako ng FEU. Maraming flight stewardess on LPU, FEU, ang beda. How long have you been here? Good luck on your career. Guys, this is my room, room 806. So, wow, upon entering, to your right would be the toilet and bath, shower room, complete with body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. We have the hand wash. Okay, we have the dental toothpaste, everything. So, welcome to Radisson Hotel. Then upon entry, okay, the coffee and everything. Bathroom. So this is my room. my luggage. Kakain muna ako kasi gutom na gutom ako. It's 11 na. I'll see you later, guys. Guys, good morning. We are here on our first day and we have our buffet breakfast of soft roll, white bread, wheat bread. Ako, ang dami naman na to, jelly, and we have a bread pudding. Pancakes. Yan, kita pa mukha ko. Ano ba yun? Lots of puto, oranges, fruits, Kellogg's. Ang dami. Ano ba ito? Ano ko kakainin ko? Yogurt, oats, dressings, and then lots of steamed rice, fried rice, adobong sitaw. This is adobong sitaw. Sweet and sour fish. Hawaiian chicken, because we are now in USA, so we are being served Hawaiian chicken. And this is, ay pork adobo, bigla tayong pumunta sa Pilipinas. Bacon and egg and, scrambled egg. And this is our host. Your name is, sino ka? Darrell, from Iloilo here. Ang daming pagkain. Ay, mga magpapaluto. Teka, hindi, no. Wait lang. Nahanap ako. See you later, guys. Hi, good morning, ma'am. Pinagagawa ako ni... You are... What's your name po, ma'am? Dema. Dema? Pinagagawa niyo ako ng omelette. Of course. Because we are in the city of love. Kaya, yan. Nagluluto ako ni ma'am. Ang dami naman kasing kakainin, parang healthy breakfast. Let us thank the Lord for this something that we are about to receive. Amen. Yan. Ma'am, okay na yan. Okay na po yan. Yan, that's it. Yan, sarap. Guys, good afternoon. We are here at Tatoy's Manukan and Seafoods Restaurant here in Iloilo. So, this is our host. Good friend from the University of San Agustin, and this is Tatoy's Manukan and Seafoods. Hi, these are the employees of Tatoy's in Iloilo, the City of Smile.
City of Love.
Ay, City of Love pala. Bacolod is the City of Smile. Saan kami? Second floor para tayo.
City of Love.
City of Love, I'm sorry.
City of Smile. Ito, sir. Lager pala, ha? Hindi kaya.
Okay, personal lang. Ay, parang kala yung... Familiar faces from USA and welcome to the lechon. Well, you say hi. So, hi. So, here are the members. President, say some words from our president. Hello, how are you? This is my counterpart from USA. I'm from Bangkok, Thailand. Hello. Okay. Oh, parang kamukha siya ni Alvin Richards. Ay.
Isa ka lang makakaligo.
Sila po ang good host from siya po yung isang may-ari ng isang rebulto sa
Yun, nakakabit lang po.
Yan. The Vice President and everybody here. Hello. Hindi po, personal copy po to. Bawal po sa amin bawal sa amin mag-post, bawal mag-vlog. Ito po ay personal copy. Makapture kasi maalala ko, I have been with Dr. Vidania for 15 years. Nagulat siya, ang ganda-ganda daw niya noong unang picture namin. Hanggang ngayon naman, maganda siya. 15 years ako under Dr. Vidania.
Post yan ah.
Personal copy. It's my personal.
Public.
Hindi pwede. Hello guys, magandang gabi. Okay, sinigang, steamed rice, fried chicken. Kuya, ano to? Sinilang, and then sisig, and then bangus, fried bangus, and then pusit. Oysters, baked to, baked. Okay, and then of course you have your these are our beautiful fogging servers. Ito po ay dinuguan and salsa ng lechon, the star of the night. Okay, ito pa, one more round. Tayo. Bye-bye. Guys, this is the unloading of luggages from our flight from Manila. And then after deloading the luggages, they will be unloading our luggages, and meron pang binababa. So until such a time the luggages are unloaded, only then will the pilot be checking the aircraft, the maintenance. Nakikita nyo po, may naghihintay na loader dito. This is Airbus 320 to.
Pag-upos na Secretary of Tourism.
Guys, delayed po yung flight namin ng 2 hours. Kaya, courtesy of Philippine Airlines, bibigyan kami ng free meal. So, we're going there. Hindi po namin pwedeng pakita yung mga mukha ng kukuha, ha? Yan. Thank you to PAL. It's been delayed by 2 hours. Yan. Kukuha po kami dito due to
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9. So these are the wonderful people of PAL. Just like and follow my channel at Sir Joven. So we have here the Jollibee distribution by Ma'am Syra. And kayo po ay si Jonah, Ma'am Syra, Jonah. And si naglilista po ng Jollibee, Mary. Yan. So Jollibee Chicken Joy po ito. Of Mount Change Air. And then tsaka, hindi, Kanlao. Oh, okay. So they have here the Absolute water, and then so we can get our, how many are we? 9. So sila po magbibitbit kasi yan. Hindi ma'am, ang tubig babalikan na lang. Kami na yung 3. Yan. Uy, si ma'am ay may nunalista sa ano, ganda. Kayo po ay tourism graduate. Saan school po ma'am?
Sa University of Antique.
Oh, University of Antique. Kayo ma'am?
Lasal, sir, sa Mindanao.
Lasal, Mindanao. Si ma'am. Ma'am, saan ka graduate? Iloilo. Ano? Itan? Itat?
Iloilo State
Iloilo State University. Okay. So, ito po si Jollibee Girl. Ma'am, babalikan na lang namin yung ano, yung tubig at saka boarding pass.
yung tubig, sir, doon na po kay sir. Andun na.
Ano na, andun ba? Siya yung water boy namin. Si, ano, boarding pass na. Ay, water boy.
Ano na po?
Yung ating boarding pass. Boarding pass.
The numbers?
Oo, 9.
9.
Kahit ano.
Wala. Yan. Yan, ito po. Yung pong flight ng Manila, may libre pong ano, kung bound for Manila kami, ay kayo. Ito po yung ayuda namin. Huwag nyo po kalilimutan. Pamilya B po, party list.
Party list?
Pamilya B, party list. Huwag nyo po kalilimutan. Pamilya B.
Pamilya B.
Pamilya B, party list. Sa darating pong eleksyon, let's vote. Number, ano ba number natin? Number, ito po kami ano, number 50 sa inyong balota. Thank you po. Guys, we are here at the Iloilo International Airport and waiting for our flight to Manila. So, while waiting, this is how the airport terminal works. So we have here one AirAsia flight. So wala pa, we're still waiting for our plane. It will be coming in 2 hours time. So this is the Iloilo International Airport, and it's very similar to Naiya Terminal 2. So, here it's here. Very similar. passengers. Then, this is how it looks like Naiya Terminal 2. Alab, you have the charging station powered by Smart. And looks the same. Bakery, cafe, coffee break. Konti lang pasahero guys. Kasi bukas ano yan. This is my team.
Sir Joven to confirm, sir.
Thank you sa Jollibee.
Welcome. Senior citizen po.
Aray.
Baligod ka 30 po.
Group A, Group B, C, D, and then this is our flight PR2144 bound for Manila. Ang kagulo na.